Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video, we will learn how we can fix the no sound problem in our Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our Google Chrome browser, and once we're in the Google Chrome browser, all we need to do is just go directly to the three dots icon which we can find in the upper right corner of your tab. So in here, all we need to do is just look for settings options, and once here in the settings option, please go to privacy and security, and please scroll down a little bit so that once you reach privacy and security section, you will see the site settings option. Now please click on it and look for the sounds options here. So I don't have sounds option, so let me click on this additional permissions. Okay, so where is that sound option? Okay, so it's in under content section. So I have clicked additional content settings. So here I have found the sound options, and all I have to do here is click on this arrow and make sure that under default behavior, the sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. So please make sure that you have selected sites can play sound. So if you have selected this one, please go select this one instead of don't allow sites to play sound. Now once done with this process, let's proceed with another one. So let us exit this window now. So here, when you see the sound or the speaker icon in this taskbar, please make a right click on it and then go to sound settings. I'm sorry, it's open again. Make a right click and then open volume mixer. And in here under apps, once you see Chrome or Google Chrome browser, please make sure that you have not selected this option, which indicates that you have or Chrome will not have an access with the sound. So please make sure that you instead of having X mark on this speaker icon, please make sure that it doesn't have any of the X mark. Okay, so I don't have a Chrome option in my app section, so if it is present in your device, please make sure that you set the volume to 100. Okay, so that might solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.